Hi. So, in this video, we are going to try out Core Alpha. It is a brand new free game engine and sort of game center made in Unreal Engine 4. It is completely free to download and you can start creating your own games today without knowing anything about coding or game design. In my opinion, it is a great program for beginners who want to get into game development. When you install the program, this screen will appear when you open Core. You get a list with all the featured games. The first thing that came in my head was Roblox, because I saw all those different games. But hang on, there is more. It gets better and better. There isn't just a Play tab, but also a Customize and Create tab. As far as I know, Core doesn't allow you to import your own character or model. They have their own models that you can customize. They even have a mount option and emotes you can use in-game. So let's create a character for our Battle Royale game. There are different slots as you can see, so you can save up to 6 different characters. I quickly created a nice character and applied an emote. I think Core will definitely add some more emotes and mount options in the future, but at the moment the software is still in alpha, so many things can change. Well, now it was time to actually make something. When you go to the Create tab, you have 3 options. Create a new empty project, use gameplay frameworks, or search between the community projects. If you choose the first option, you get a blank scene with all the settings pre-installed. The second option allows to edit a pre-made game and add whatever you want. If you choose the third option, you can search for a finished game from someone else and modify it as you want. For this video, we will be working with the pre-made frameworks. Then you got this screen. Core gives you a list of different types of shooter games where you can work on. There is Deathmatch, Battle Royale, Capture the Flag and so on. Most of the projects have a third-person camera, but there are first-persons and top-down cameras as well. So keep in mind, this can change in the future. We are going for the third-person Battle Royale template. Just give it a name and your game is ready to play. I'm not kidding. As soon as all the assets are loaded, you can start playing. You can test the game on your own machine with different clients to test multiplayer. This is something I love about Core. Core takes care and control of the client and networking aspects. So you don't have to code it yourself. You can if you want, but you don't have to. So in Unity, coding a client and so on is difficult and can take you a lot of time. In Core you only have to worry about how you want your game to look like. It isn't impossible to create a multiplayer game in Unity, but it takes time. I am currently learning how to make a multiplayer game in Unity and I will cover it on my channel in a few months. But for now, let's take a look at the assets Core provides. I tried making a small house and I have to say that I'm impressed how good the assets look. They have a ton of assets and settings where you can play with. All the props you add in your scene show up in the hierarchy where you can rotate, scale and reposition the objects as you want. I found out that without coding you can do so much in this game engine. If I can call it a game engine, I'm not sure actually. So I added some guns and UI which you can find on your game components. You have fully access to customize the player settings, dead zone settings, camera settings and so on. There are a lot of options which are familiar as in Unity and Unreal Engine, so it isn't hard to learn how to use Core. The player mechanics are really cool. You want your character to double jump? No problem. Triple jump? No problem. You want your character to fly? Just enable flying. These settings are endless. And what if your game is ready to launch? Just click publish. Type what your game is about, add some patch notes and some tags, take some screenshots, and this is something I want to tell you. Core has a really cool feature which allows you to take a screenshot in your active scene, so you don't have to install a third-party screenshot program or just take a program with your print screen key. No. Then click publish and anyone can play your game on the Core platform. If you want me to make a game in Core and publish it, please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. It helps me out a lot and it would make my day. So I see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching and bye.